Welcome back to Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, all my artists, creators, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. Now listen, you know I normally do my hauls inside of my sip and share videos, but I discovered this store, and I think it has, well, it has its own app, and I don't know if it's like, well, I'll explain later, but nevertheless, the store is called, it looks like it's called Teemu, and I'm gonna put a link in the description box so that you guys can check it out. But the things on there was like priced similarly to AliExpress. However, I think it came in about a week, maybe a week or a little bit less. And then I see that it's shipped from Ontario, Canada. So I don't know if this is a Canadian company or if this is maybe an Asian company that imports or exports to Canada and has some of the items shipped from there. I don't really know. I'm going to check it out. But nevertheless, I'm going to share with you the things that I purchased. Some things are crafty items. Some of them are not. But I'm going to start off with a couple of items that are not crafty items. So just stay tuned. All right. So first things up, I purchased, let me move this bag out the way. Excuse the crinkling. I don't mind it, but for those who don't like it. They had some really cute, these are called ivy caps. Some people call them newsboy caps, but I have been looking for a couple of these since I left home, New York, about a decade ago. And it's because this isn't really a cold weather state, you know, these type of items are not, they don't have a lot of them in the stores, like the department stores or the larger stores. It's kind of something you have to kind of scout out. So anyways, this is a nice gray color. So, and I bought one. One will be for me. One will be for Josh. So I got that one. And then I also got this one. It's a brown one. I opened this up already, because I needed to see it firsthand. So then there's the brown one. There's a loose thread string in here, but I think this is just something I can cut off. But it seems to be made very well. It is not cheap or flimsy fabric. I think the finishing could have used a little bit more detail, but neither here nor there. Not something that I can't overlook. I think these hats were like $2 or something like that. And I needed a purse, a crossbody bag for when Josh and I are out and about at like the car shows and stuff like that. I hate that I need to carry my stuff with me. You know, my purse and wallet and lip gloss so I can look cute. But I don't necessarily want to carry a purse, but I also don't want to just be walking around with it. But this is like a makeup case. I bought this one for myself to put into my purse, my regular full-size purse. It's got plenty of pockets. 1, 2, 3. But I guess it could also be used as a pencil case. So pen or pencil case. Okay. And then I got this one. I think this one is the crossbody bag. And I think it is an Asian company. I didn't open it, so I don't know why that's like that. Ooh. So I really wanted one that I can tuck my phone into. And what is going on with the zipper here? Let's see. Okay, there we go. Tuck my phone into. Have access to the monies, the wallet. Here's a third zipper here. And then here is the handle that you hook on to somewhere, like so. And then it's adjustable. And then this is elastic piece in the back. I'm not sure what you would put that on. But I liked this is a nice pattern for the fall. And then now I didn't pull this apron out. This is an apron. I'm also going to put a picture of the shop's the website, so you guys can get an idea of what it looks like. And then they have like if you're a new shopper, you get like 30% off, and a lot of it was free shipping. But look at the opposite side of this apron. Okay, so for those when you're cooking, even if it gets wet, it doesn't go all the way through. And this is the pattern. Okay, I needed something to be able to cook in. I'm also working on an apron, but I've been working on that apron for about 6 months now. All right, a few more items. A nice stamp set here. Let me just turn this so you guys can see. So this one is Christmas. And I was looking to make sure that none of the stamp sets were like knockoffs of some of our favorite brands. Is, you know, the other site is known for that, and I don't really like to support that. And I got these paint brushes. This is, it said something about, I forgot what type of hair did it say. Some type of hair, not a hair brush, but it's made out of some type of hair. Let me see if I can see it. It doesn't say, but look at the tips of that. Nice for watercolors. All right, and then I got some dies. Let's see if you guys can see that. I need to get a die brush. Alphabet stamp set. Josh, can you take the plastic off that so we can check that out, please? I got my little helper with me. All right, and so here is an embossing folder. Christmas theme embossing folder. I'm actually doing this in my room today. So it's the lighting is not the best, but you guys get the picture. Let me take this out of this because I wanted to see. I thought this is a Christmas themed one as well. I think this is the one that I saw this one. Let me see. 'Tis the season. Got the little deer, the most wonderful time of the year. Stars, a little bunny. How adorable is he? Let me see if we're getting it in there. And then we got the tree right there. Okay, we got that. And we also have this girl. Now, I'm not sure if this is something that someone else has designed or if there was a similar design, but I really like this. The lady with the back to us, and then these nice sentiments there. And then here's another embossing folder. I think these were like 49 cents, some little packs of paper. I'm not even sure what's in here. Yeah, cute little, you can make nice little clusters with that, you know. Nothing too extravagant. And then vintage sticky notes. Okay, let's take a look at that real quick. And you'll probably see me using this. While Josh is opening up the stamps, I'm just going to go ahead and show you guys this. Oh, here we go. Now, it says sticky notes, but I don't think that this is stickers. It doesn't look as though it is. But nevertheless, you know, great for collaging. And I like the cute little box that I almost ruined. A couple more things. And then this is something that I got for Josh for Christmas. He won't see it until later. Okay. And then here's another little embossing folder. Isn't that adorable? And then the last thing, which I don't even know what this one is. Oh, it's another Christmas gift for Josh. So I'll have to show you guys that in another video. I'll put a picture in later on when he's not around. All right, Josh, without further ado, let me get that stamp set. And I think all of this stuff came up to less than, I mean, $26 for all of this. So we got the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 items for $26. So that's approximately $1.50 each. Just a quick screenshot of my order status. So I ordered the items on October 31st. It arrived on November 7th, and that's just a screenshot. I'm going to take you right to the account, and here is the 18 items that I purchased that came to a grand total of $26.09. Now you also can see where you can get a little coupon here down at the bottom if you refer a friend. So 40% off. I mean, you can't beat that for 18 items. That pretty much comes down to about $1.40 per item. And considering the fact that I purchased 2 hats and a paintbrush set, that's already $25 right there. So listen, head on over to Teemu and see if it's got some items that you might be interested in. And remember, I'm not getting any money from this. This is not an endorsement. It's not a sponsorship. This is just me putting you on to a little gem that I found, all right? And the hats alone, I'm going to spend $10 on Amazon getting those. So for what I paid for them, the time that it took to get here, and the variety of things that they had available. And they have a lot of different stuff. They don't just have craft stuff or girl stuff. They have plenty of stuff for babies, stuff for your house, kitchen gadgets and stuff like that. So let me see the stamp set, and while Josh is putting that back together for me. Thank you. Oh, I like. Thank you, Joshy. You want to say hi to the people? Say hi, people. Crafty people. All right, so we got uppercase, lowercase, and a sweet little box that they fit nicely into. I love the box. Love the box. Okay, and I'm not sure how much this was, but let's just see. As you can see, this is the size of my finger. So this is great for, and I don't have any numbers, so this is good because I don't have any type font stamps to, you know, do mixed media work, art. And so anyways, guys, that is what I got from the store called Temu. All right. And again, I'll leave a link below in case you're interested. This is not affiliated. I'm not affiliated. This is not sponsored. I paid for the stuff myself. But let me tell you, I think the total price was somewhere around $38. But with the coupon that they give you at checkout, and being a new customer, and one of these items I got for like 90% off. You get one item for 90% off as a new customer. It dropped it down by like $12. So even if I would have paid full price, it still would have been a great deal. So nevertheless, anyways, guys, listen, I hope that you guys get a chance to check out the store, check out the shop, see if there's anything there that tickles your fancy. And until we are back here together on Patreon and YouTube, my friends, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative and crafty. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community, and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie's Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.